Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be doing this super colorful cool makeup for Halloween. I really love this look and it took some time, so be patient. It's the first time I'm trying to do it, but I actually love the results. I thought it looked super cool, super different. I haven't seen anything like this before, so I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead for the tutorial. Okay guys, so I already prepped my skin and I applied foundation, concealer. I filled in my eyebrows just because I know this makeup is going to be very time consuming and I wanted to focus on the different part of it. So if you want to know how I apply my foundation and I prep my skin, I'm going to leave the video right here so you can click on it. Moving on, let's start this crazy makeup. Okay guys, so first of all, I feel like I should let you know this is the first time that I'm gonna be trying to do this, so I know it's gonna be hard, so be patient and we'll get through it together. I got inspired by a picture of Chloe. I'm gonna leave her Instagram here so you can check it out, but I also decided to do the face so I can make it more of a Halloween thing. We'll start with the eyes and then we'll do the face. Okay guys, so for this makeup I'll be using this Norvina palette collection. It's super colorful, and the fruit sorbet from Violet Voss. It's also very colorful. Okay, so for starters we'll start from the inside of the eye with the red. I'm gonna use this one from the Violet Voss palette. Another thing is that I'm also gonna be using the same brush for all the colors, just because that will make it easier to blend all the colors in. Now we'll get some orange. Guys, I'm gonna be trying to mix the colors of these two palettes just so I can find better tones in between them. So I'm mixing the orange from the two of them right now. Now the hard part, which is the yellow. Every time I get a new color, I'm trying to blend it with the last one I applied, so I apply a little bit on top of the last one. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, okay? So I did the other eye. I want to leave it very clean up here. So we're gonna get a cotton swab and we're gonna clean everything around to leave it like perfectly clean. So now we're gonna do this on the lower lid. I'm going to apply a white eyeliner on the waterline. So to start the face, we're gonna just draw a line here as if it's like dripping or melting. So that's where we start. Also, don't worry if you mess up in here, just get a cotton swab with some makeup remover and clean it, and then just start over. It's not that hard. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is simply color everything with the colors of the rainbow we did in our eyes. Same direction, so we start from pink, going into the red here, and then pink here, into the red here. Just imagine like an invisible line going towards here that goes up until here, more or less, and here. So we're gonna want to blend it a little bit so we can mix a little bit with the skin. Just picture a transparent line right here, more or less, and we color all that area. We'll start with the pink on the outside. And also, don't worry about getting too close to the line, because we're still gonna apply some black here and we're gonna blend it, so you don't have to get that close to the lines that you draw. So I'm just gonna keep on going, and I'll fill in the other side just with the colors, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I just made the lines thicker and stronger as well. I also have to fix the inside of the lines, but I'm gonna leave that to the last part because I know I'm still gonna mess up. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a clean brush and a black eyeshadow, and we're gonna start shadowing under the lines. You want to blend the black with the colors right here in the right next to the lines. Okay, so now it's the most important part. We're gonna get a concealer and really apply it very, very near the line to make this super neat and clean. Let's start that part. That's the part that I think it's gonna take the longest, but we'll see. Okay, so preferably get a lighter concealer so you can highlight it as well. So now we're getting a tiny sponge and we're mixing the concealer with our skin. So now we're getting a fluffy brush and we're gonna blend the colors with our skin right down here. Now we'll apply some highlighter inside the drops. Okay guys, so now I'm going to apply my eyelashes and we're gonna do our lips. So I already applied the lashes and I decided to add one final step, that is applying this glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay. I'm gonna apply it all over the line, but you don't have to do it. I just decided that I think it would look cool. My battery died, so I simply contoured the black line with the glitter eyeliner and I actually loved it even more. I'm just gonna do very simple lips. I had so much fun doing this. I actually love it a lot. I don't know which part I like the most, the face or the eyes, but I think it looks amazing and I really truly hope you enjoyed it, guys. It took a little bit of time, so it is time consuming, but it was totally worth it because I loved the results. Really hope you loved it as well. So this is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I even did this kind of beads in my hair to make it match my makeup. I tried to apply the Halloween vibes to the eyes and I actually thought it looked amazing, especially because it's the first time I'm trying. So really hope you liked it. I really love the results. Please guys, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. This really makes a difference for me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.